How do you get an asylum expert to put their thoughts in writing without turning the whole thing into a courtroom soap opera? You start by finding someone who truly knows the country, the group, or the danger you are talking about, because a strong affidavit is basically a smart flashlight, not a magic wand. You want a scholar, researcher, human rights worker, journalist, doctor, or lawyer abroad who has real knowledge and can explain it in plain language. The big idea is simple, and yes, a little annoying, because experts are not there to say, "Trust me, bro." They are there to explain what they know and how they know it. You usually begin with a short, respectful message that says who you are, what the case is about in broad terms, and why their knowledge matters. Keep it clean and clear, because nobody wants a message that reads like it was written by a caffeinated raccoon at midnight. Tell them what kind of help you need, like background on country conditions, risk to a group, patterns of abuse, or why a person cannot safely return. Then ask whether they would be willing to provide an affidavit or declaration, and whether they can speak from their own work, research, or direct experience. That matters because courts care a lot about credibility, and credibility is built by showing the expert actually knows the thing they are talking about. You also need to explain deadlines, fees if any, and whether you can provide a draft outline, documents, or questions to help them get started. Some experts will say yes quickly, some will move at the speed of a sleepy turtle, and some will only help if the facts match their specialty exactly. Once they agree, give them the key case facts, but do not overload them with every scrap of paper like you are dumping a whole attic onto their desk. The best affidavits usually have a simple structure, telling who the expert is, what they studied or did, what they know, and why that matters to the asylum claim. You should also ask them to say what sources they used, because that helps show the opinion is grounded in more than vibes and folklore. If they are abroad, you may need to handle time zones, translation, and secure communication, which is a fancy way of saying you should not email sensitive facts, like you are sending a grocery list. If the expert cannot sign a paper copy, a scanned signature, electronic signature, or sworn declaration may work, depending on the court and the lawyer's plan. It also helps to remember that an affidavit is stronger when it is specific, because "there is danger" is weak, but "this group has faced documented attacks in this region since 2021" actually tells the story. So yes, getting one takes planning, patience, and a little diplomacy, but when done well, it can turn a foggy claim into a clear picture. And if you want to learn more about our company, check out our links in the description.